Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope everybody is fine. I am your geo teacher and today is our second video class. Our previous topic was introduction to the world map. Today our topic is the world in facts. In this topic we will discuss about the facts of the world. We are going to start with the highest populated country is China. The first highest populated country, you know that what is meant by population. Population means abadi. The world's highest populated country is China. The second highest populated country of the world is India. The third highest populated country of the world is USA. Number 4 is Indonesia and number 5 is Brazil. These are the top 5 highest populated countries of the world. Now we will move towards the countries which are largest countries of the world area wise. Top 5 largest countries of the world area wise. The first largest country of the world is Russia, which is also a two-continent country located in Asia and continent Europe. More than half of country Russia is located in continent Asia. The second largest area-wise country is Canada, which is located in North America. The third largest country of the world is USA. The fourth largest country of the world is China. And the fifth largest country of the world is Brazil. Dear students, as you know, world in fact is that topic in which we discussed about the largest ocean, largest rivers, largest countries, largest cities of the world, largest forests of the world, largest lake of the world. This topic is already done by you people in your previous classes. So let's move forward. When you will open your book, your topic world in facts is starting from page number 9. On page number 9 you will find the largest populated countries and the largest countries of the world area wise, which we have already discussed now. Now come to page number 10. On page number 10 you will find the smallest countries of the world, which is Vatican City. The countries which are located in two continents, they are Russia, Turkey, Georgia, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan. The largest forest in the world, which is Siberia, it is located in Russia. The largest rainforest in the world is the Amazon rainforest, which is in South America. The total countries in the world are 194 and the largest rivers of the world are River Nile, which is flowing through Africa, River Amazon, which is flowing in South America, and River Yangtze, which is flowing through Asia. The largest island of the world is the Greenland, which is not green at all. It is covered with snow for all over the year. The largest lake of the world is the Caspian Sea, which is which is located in Europe and continent Asia, in the south of Russia. The largest sea of the world is South China. The highest mountain of the world is the Mount Everest with the height of 8,850 meters. The hottest place of the world is Dalol, which is in Ethiopia. And the annual temperature of Dalol is 34 degrees centigrade. The coldest place is Plateau Station, Antarctica, and the annual temperature, recorded temperature is average temperature. It's also the average temperature of Antarctica, which is minus 56.7 degrees Celsius. The wettest place of the world is Mawsynram in Assam, which is in India, and the driest place of the world is Atacama Desert in Chile. The largest hot desert is Sahara, which is in Africa, and the cold desert is Antarctica. It doesn't mean this, that the deserts are only the sandy places. Every area which is not suitable for farming, which is dry, and there is the scarcity of water, that place is desert. So there are cold desert and hot desert in the world. The most people by continent Asia means continent Asia is the most populous continent of the world. As you can see in the image, it is the image of continent Asia, which is also the largest continent of the world, and it is also the highest populated continent of the world. This is continent Asia. These are the largest cities of the world. The first largest city of the world is Tokyo in Japan. The second largest city of the world is Delhi in India, and the third largest city of the world is Mexico City in Mexico. If you talk about the 5 richest countries of the world, the first richest country of the world is Luxembourg. The second largest, richest country of the world is Qatar. The third richest country of the world is Norway. The fourth richest country of the world is Switzerland. And the fifth richest country of the world is Australia. Then in your book there is the definition of island. What is an island? Island is a piece of land which is completely surrounded by water, as you can see in this image. A part of land which is completely surrounded by water. And which is the largest island of the world? हम लोगों ने अभी डिस्कस किया that Greenland is the largest island of the world. Another definition is forest, which is what is meant by forest. Forests are the areas which are thickly covered with trees. And which is the largest forest of the world? Siberia is the largest forest of the world, and rainforest is Amazon rainforest, which is in South America. Here comes the rainforest. Which is the largest rainforest of the world? Yes, we have discussed it before that Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest of the world. And what are the rainforests? Rainforests are the forest which receives a lot of rainfall, and they are usually on equatorial zone. This is the picture of the largest sea of the world, which is South China. Largest sea of the world is South China Sea. This is the image of the highest mountain of the world, which is the Mount Everest, with the height of 8,850 meters, and it is located in Nepal. The coldest place of the world is Plateau Station, Antarctica. Antarctica is also the largest cold desert of the world, and the annual average temperature of Antarctica is minus 57.7 degrees Celsius. The largest hot desert of the world is the Sahara Desert. This is Sahara Desert, which is the largest hot desert of the world. Sahara Desert is also known as the killer desert of the world. This image shows you a lake. What is meant by lake? Lake means a mass of water which is completely surrounded by land. Means पानी का ऐसा एरिया, ऐसी जगह या ऐसी नदी जिसके चारों तरफ ज़मीन हो, जो लैंड लॉक हो, ऐसी जगह को लेक कहते हैं. ठीक है, तो लेक इज द मास ऑफ वाटर विच इज completely surrounded by land. And which is the largest lake of the world? Caspian Sea. Caspian Sea is the largest lake of the world, which is located in the south of Russia. Here are the top 10 major languages of the world. The first major language of the world is Chinese. The second is English. The third is Hindi. The fourth is Spanish. The fifth is Russian. The sixth major language of the world is Arabic. The seventh major language of the world is Bengali. The eighth major language of the world is Portuguese. And the ninth major language of the world is Malay, Indonesian. The 10th one is French. That's all. Your topic is done. Inshallah, we will discuss your next topic in third video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.